Roper Properties presents this luxurious, modern 3-bedroom semi-detached villa, with independent 1-bedroom apartment in an exclusive area in Playa Blanca. This property is a new construction and is sold completely furnished. It also has air conditioning throughout. The interior of the villa consists of 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, 1 ensuite, a lounge, a fully fitted modern kitchen and dining area. This supermodern villa really is a turnkey property for the new owners, with quality top-line finishes throughout. To the rear of the villa, looking out to the pool, is another lounge and dining area, with bifolding glass doors to make the property completely light and open. The property boasts a 12-meter pool, and large private outside space for soaking up the Lanzarote sun. To arrange a viewing, visit our offices or email us at info@roper.properties. Roper, the only name in property. Established since 1984.